follow him like this. Alright, you just turn it. Don't go up and down. Just go side to here. Wait, let me. Alright. Hey, just go side to side. Watch. When he comes. Here, stay right here. Watch. Here he comes. Look.
Okay.
Now follow him. You see him in there?
Yeah.
Follow everything he's doing.
Dad, I'm gonna go. And then how do you take a picture of what the button do?
Right now we're just taking a movie. We'll take a picture after. What?
I'll go faster.
Jess, ride.
Hudson, watch me.
Morning, hon. Jess, it's good. It's what? What do you mean too deep? Don't, I told you, don't go in the rut. You shouldn't be going in the rut.
I tried going to the side and it just pushed me in the rut.
You gotta try to coast. You want me to show you what I mean? With my bike?
Just drive over.
What?
Hudson, watch me. Okay. Dad, don't care.
No, I'll show you with the bike. Fish. Don't go over the rut. Go in it. I'll explain in a minute. No, Hudson, no. You gotta watch, look at him through here. There he is. Are you looking through here?
Yeah.
That's how you have to see him. You don't look at him outside, you look at him through here. Here he comes again.